Good day everyone, welcome to Video Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to create and use buttons that will be used to control a movie playback. Okay, so what you do is, I've already created a motion twin here, so if I press Ctrl Enter, you see the thing will just move on its own. There's no button here to control the movie playback at the moment. Okay, so we're going to change that. Right click on the layer, then select Insert Layer to add a new layer. Double click on the current layer name. Let's call this layer Actions. Press Enter. Click in the first frame. Okay, then we go to Window, select Actions to open the Actions panel. We're gonna select Actions, so click on the plus button here. Under Global Functions, select Global Functions. Under Timeline Control, select Stop. Okay, so you add a stop action to the first frame, which is a keyframe. Okay, so now we close this. So you see there's a letter A at the top, which means action has been added here. Okay, so when you press Ctrl Enter, you see that there's a stop action here, so that means it won't move. Okay, now we're going to add buttons to control the playback. So right click on the layer, then select Insert Layer, double click on the layer name. Let's change this layer to be called Buttons. Okay, now we click on the Over tool, click and drag here to create a button. No, sorry, the button is not created yet. This is the shape that I'll use for the button. Right click on the shape, select Convert to Symbol. Okay, make sure you select button type. Let's call this button BTN-MISC. Okay, then press OK. Okay, so now this has been changed into an instance of a button. Now I select Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste a new button instance. Click on the selection tool, drag and drop this to align it beside the original button instance. Select from the color drop down box, select tint. Okay, I'm going to use green color. I'm going to use tint amount 100%. This red button will be the stop button, and this green button will be the play button. Okay, now let's attach assign actions to them. Select the red button instance, go to Window, select Actions to open the Actions panel. Okay, now that the stop button or red button is selected, click on the plus sign here, select Global Functions, select Movie Clip Control, then select On. Okay, double click on Press. Click after the opening cursor, then press Enter. Okay, click the plus sign again, select Global Functions, select Timeline Control, select Stop. Okay, because when you press, you want that when you press the button, the stop action will be run. Okay, now we select the green play button. Okay, do the same thing, click and drag, click on the plus button here, go to Global Functions, go to Movie Clip Control, select On. Okay, double click on Press. Okay, click on after the opening bracket, then press Enter to add a new line. Click on plus button, go to Global Functions, go to Timeline Control, then select Play. Okay, so what happens is that the current button, which is the green play button, when you press on it using a mouse, it will run execute the play action. Okay, so now I'll close the Actions panel. Now we save this, Ctrl S to save. Okay, then press Ctrl Enter to play the movie. Okay, so when you press the play or green play button, it will run. When you press on the red stop button, it will stop. Press on green, it will run. Press on stop, it will stop. Okay, press on green, it will run. Okay, so this is how you create buttons to control movie playback. Okay, thank you for listening.